Oh, that is tree.
What's that?
It's tree. And then this scraggly thing here. There's obviously water comes down here at some time. Mm-hmm. The critters here.
Yeah. All right, one more bite.
Oh yeah. Go for it.
There we go. All right. Lotion.
Mm-hmm. Put my sunblock on. Wow. A lot of cacti, so we're heading into Red Rock Canyon here. And this is just the last mile before we come up to the visitor center and the trail. So, well, I'll switch off until we get there. A different type of cactus there. It's taller. These cacti look all nice. Tapping out a good pace here. So we're tapping out a good pace. Okay, it's coming up to the visitor center. And heading in. There's a 15-mile trail. And looks like we can head on over to that red outcrop. There we go, Red Rock Canyon Conservation Area, Bureau of Land Management. Very nice. And now we're coming up here. And yeah, there's those daisies. Ah, some more. So yellow flowers. Scenic loop. Palm tree style thing. These get close to the road here. So I think there's a hike trail. Oh, I see. Yeah, there's a hike trail there. There's a hike trail that goes up onto the red rock here. Ah, there's one of those, really close to the road. Gadgets. Okay, this is a little bit more of a hill than you realise in this heat. So, all of these are being burnt, these cacti. Coming up here to the Red Rock part of the canyon. Whew, I'm sure Marjorie is sucking air behind me, even though I have the backpack and all the water bottles. Oh, this is a bit more of a steady climb than it looks, isn't it? It's alright though. Okay, so I'm just going to get rolling here. Can't jump right Marjorie up. I stood there taking pictures for a while, so she's probably got a good ways down. Oh, I see her over there somewhere. There's a lot of rock climbers there. It looks like they've got ropes and they're doing abseiling. They've got rope lines up. It's pretty nice. Okay, on to the next stop.
Provide the toads with temporary ponds for breeding and laying eggs.
Wow, that's unbelievable, isn't it? You wouldn't have thought there would be toads living out here.
A few hours after being laid, the eggs of the red-spotted toad hatch as tadpoles. To survive, the tadpoles must change into adults before the pond dries up.
Right. Wow.
This is interesting, though, that there's actually...
And shrimp in there as well. My goodness, tadpole shrimp. Incredible.
They survive decades of drought as eggs, but when water fill the teenage, they quickly hatch and grow. The entire cycle to egg laying adult requires as little as 15 days. Wow.
Yeah. Have orange flowers there. And then here's your red rock. Whew. This bit's steeper than it looks. Okay. Yeah, getting up here can take your breath away. Okay. Seems I had to stop to get my pump. Here's these yellow flowers. And I'm gonna have all of this. And the gal's up in front. Okay. Let's just switch off. Ooh, that's a swift or a swallow. I think it's actually a swallow. We're starting to, this is like the Badlands.
Badlands.
Yeah, Indians are going to come over the hill there and shoot you full of... Oh, look at those cacti, beautiful blooms.
I know, the orange, red ones.
No, these were purple.
Oh, yeah.
Really pretty. Huh. All right. Big huff and puff section here. That's good. Impressive going there. Oh, yeah. This is a huff and puff section. Woo. Okay. Now, you can see that's back there. Whew. It's the heat and the altitude. We're up probably 2,500 feet. Isn't that amazing? There's the desert for you. Okay, turn around, go and find Marjorie. Okay, here we have those orange flowers. Really nice. And there's a walking trail here. and goes that way. And the car park's somewhere up there. So, more huff and puff here. So, that's why all the huffing and puffing. You can see what we've come up. All the way up there, from way over by the Red Rock. And this is where we're at. All right, yes, it rolls back down. Thank God for that. Whew. We were all hurting. Here comes Marjorie now. Whew. The good news is, this is the high point. I know. Here's your view. It's pretty nice. You could see where the road goes all the way around there. Wow, here we are again. So we crested the top there, and now we're headed down. And I'm trying to catch Marjorie up. I'm sure she went long down here. Holy crap, this is fast. 15 miles an hour. I think I'm going to be on the brakes any second. This obviously does a hairpin. Woo! There we go. Oh, I could have got round it faster. I'm sure I'm doing way more than 15 there. There's Marjorie. Oh, okay. Wow, this is a fast descent. You could definitely, if my tires weren't so flat, you could hit a serious speed down here. I'm running them pretty flat because doing the off-road stuff. Alright, 40 miles an hour is plenty fast. Woo! Here we go. Still let up the brakes. Yeah, you definitely wouldn't want to come up this. The way I take us is the easiest. Alright. Get a good run up on this one. So that little gopher that Marjorie saw yesterday, we actually got some still pictures of one on the top there with a telephoto lens. I think he was coming hoping the tourists were going to give him food, but I got some pictures instead. Alright, another little up. Ooh, look at those beautiful rocks. That is pretty gorgeous, people. And that cooled me down, blew all the sweat off from the up. Oh wow. Well, the legs are screaming from the ride yesterday, 20 miles, and then Marjorie had me in the weight room this morning for 45 minutes doing all kinds of weights. Alright, I'll switch off. Okay. At the top here, I go back here, pick up Marjorie. Oh, there's the Badlands. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, cavalry could definitely be riding across that right now. Ooh. Okay. Well, wait till you get to the top. One last steep haul, this one. But these rocks are gorgeous up here. This is, I mean, this is amazing. It really is, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's out of a movie set. Well, it looks like we can just swing round and carry on round.
Yeah. Yeah,
Messing up there.
We haven't seen it. The other side's much prettier.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is gorgeous, these stacks here. Absolutely. But we'll get a better view of those stacks from down here, you know? Classic limestone features. All right, we'll do a little bit more serious riding here, get it into a higher gear. Watch out for tortoises crossing. Don't see that sign every day. Radar in force, 35 miles an hour. I'm in trouble, boys. All right, I think that's about it for that stack. So I'll switch off. We'll see you at the bottom. All right. I was trying to switch off. Try switch off. Supposed to be wild horses and donkeys out here, but not in this heat, I suspect. So now we're flying along here. This is all downhill. Clipping along here. Much happier since we're not going uphill. These orange flowers are gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah, there were some red ones too. Did
Yeah.
you see the red ones?
Yeah.
They were amazing.
Yeah, here's more of the orange ones this side. Beautiful. We've come at the right time of year, it seems, for all the flowers being out.
Oh, I don't know
Yeah.
whether they bloom more.
Well, you figure they got to bloom when it
Or maybe
rains.
they're just starting to bloom.
The spring, they must have some rain, right?
There's a few flowers coming out. It hasn't.
There's another one of the. They're really intense. Surprising, I saw one fly. There's obviously got to be bees and stuff out here, you know, to pollinate them.
Daddy.
So you got 5 more to do. Mostly downhill. That's nothing. That's from our house to Butler's. Not even, or just a bit further. Wow, these stacks are just crazy good. There we go. Hi! Yes! Okay, well, we're back to the Indian reservation. stop here, entrance, and any minute now we'll be back to the car. So this is just the last little bit of video, and Marjorie's clipping at a good 20 miles an hour here. Right.